Hello again, boys and girls. In this video, we are going to be working on this practice page. It is page 84. So make sure you have the page in front of you that looks like this. And if you need to pause the video to go get it, you can. You will also need to get a pencil. Okay, the first thing we do when we get a paper is what? We put our name on it. Yes, go ahead and write your name up here. Even if you wrote it on the front, we want to make sure we have our name on our papers. And we are going to practice our letter I today. This is an uppercase I, and we are going to write it first. When we write it, we start at the dot. That's on the ceiling. We make a big line to the floor. We go back up, we cross at the ceiling, and we cross at the floor. And that is how we make an uppercase I. Try it again. Start at the ceiling, make a big line to the floor, cross at the ceiling, and cross at the floor. Start at the dot, make a big line to the floor, cross at the ceiling, and cross at the floor. And then down here, it wants us to make our uppercase I some more. So start at the dot. What is our first step? We make a big line to the floor. We cross at the ceiling, and we cross at the floor. Okay, what is our first step? Number one, big line to the floor. What's number two? Number two, up here is cross at the ceiling. And what's number three? We cross at the floor. One more time. Big line down. What's the next step? Cross at the ceiling and cross at the floor. Okay, boys and girls, if you need to pause the video to finish your uppercase I's, go ahead and do so, because we're going to move on to our lowercase ones now, and I want you to have your uppercase ones finished first. For our lowercase I, it's a short line down and then a dot. So we're going to start right here at this dot on the doorknob, and we're going to trace our short line down. And then we're going to make our dot right there. Start at the dot on the doorknob, make a short line down, and then don't forget the dot. It's not an I if it doesn't have that dot on top of it. Start at the doorknob, make a short line down, and then make your dot. Okay, we have another row to do. We start on the doorknob, and what do we make? We make a short line down. And then what is our next step? We have to remember to dot it. We dot our I's. Where do I start? Do I start my I down here, or do I start it right here? We always want to work down on our letters, never up. So we start at the doorknob, and we make a short line down. And then we dot it. Start at the dotted line doorknob, make a short line down, and then we dot it. Okay, boys and girls, if you need to pause the video to see the lowercase I's to finish it, you may do so. Otherwise, I'm finished with this video. It was a really short one, so I hope you continue to have a great day, and I really miss you guys.